Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about a fitness workout that combines both physical and mental well-being. We're going to discuss an effective routine that incorporates both morning yoga and a short morning workout to get you ready for the day. This combination of activities is designed to help you feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. First, let's talk about morning yoga. Yoga is a great way to start your day, as it helps you connect with your body, mind, and spirit. It's a practice that focuses on flexibility, strength, and mindfulness. By incorporating a short morning yoga flow into your routine, you'll be getting a full body workout that will help you feel more energized and awake. Here's a simple yoga routine you can do in the morning to help you kickstart your day. 1. Child's Pose Balasana. Start by lying on your back on the mat, spreading your legs and resting your arms by your sides. Slowly lift your hips up toward the ceiling, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then return to the starting position. 2. Seated Forward Bend Paschimottanasana. Sit on the mat with your legs extended in front of you. Lean forward slightly, keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then return to the starting position. 3. Downward Facing Dog at Home Mukha Svanasana. Stand up from your mat position, with your feet hip-width apart. Lower your chest to the ground, keeping your head in a neutral position. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then return to the standing position. Now that you've done your yoga routine, it's time to get your body moving with a short morning workout. This workout can be done outside, in your living room, or even in the shower. The key is to get your heart rate up and your body moving to help you feel more alert and focused for the day. 1. Jumping jacks. Start by standing straight with your arms at your sides. Begin the exercise by jumping your legs apart and then back together, while raising your arms overhead. Continue the exercise for a few seconds and then return to the starting position. 2. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your hips as if you were sitting down on a chair. Hold the position for a few seconds and then slowly return to the starting position. 3. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body down, keeping your elbows close to your body. 4. High knees. Stand tall and bend your knees as if you were sitting on a chair. Push back up to the starting position, one arm at a time if needed. Keep your chest up and your core engaged. Hold the position for a few seconds and then slowly return to the standing position. By incorporating this morning yoga flow and short morning workout into your fitness routine, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier, and more productive day. Remember to always listen to your body and adjust the exercises as needed. Happy exercising!